I've got some zipper pouches here. Going to show you some of the nice features about them and talk about ways you can use these. It does include these sticker labels that you can use to put on the pouches so you can write what they have in them. So keep in mind that the pouch itself down here is going to be waterproof, but the zipper up here at the top is not waterproof. So the zipper has this nice pull string on it, so it's going to be easy to open. And the bag itself is going to be see-through, so you can see what is inside of it. So I just put a few things in here for an example of what you can do. I've got an iPad in this one, so it's nice and big, so you can put big items like that. This one, I've got some games as well as a little Game Boy. And then in this one, I've got some books. So you've got lots of possibilities and different things that you can put in these. And you can see through them, so you can see what is in them really easy. So these zipper pouches are super handy. They'd be really useful for traveling, for storage, for organizing, and they've got all kinds of colors, so you can color coordinate if you want, plus some labels so you can label them as well if you would like. So these are really handy pouches to have.